honorable adjudicators. In Indonesia, job seekers often say, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. Recruitment is full of nepotism, and evaluations are arbitrary. If this is what we call human judgment, then maybe it's precisely what we need to replace. That is why I, Dinda Rahmanisa from SMA Negeri 1 Kejayan, stand proudly on opposition. We do not judge the rise of AI in the workplace. Instead, we reject the nostalgia for so-called human judgment. Because in the reality, human judgment such as recruitment and decision-making has not about quality. It has been about privilege called nepotism. AI does not destroy dignity. It destroys that kind of privilege. It does not erase humanity. It erases the abuse that humans themselves have normalized, especially in our beloved country, Indonesia. And that's why the opposition stands firmly against regret. Here's why. First, AI breaks nepotism, where humans preserve it. AI climateless the privilege of bloodline and reward competence. In Indonesia, it is common to hear, oh, your daughter or son of blah 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 blah, determined in or change employment. A capable candidate without connection is invisible, while the boss's nephew walked through every door. AI recruitment system anonymizing application, prioritizing qualification and filtering based on real performance indicator. For the first time, children of farmers, factories workers, and etc. can stand shoulder to shoulder with the children of politicians and CEOs. That's why AI doesn't know your last name, it only knew your ability. That is not dehumanization, it's liberalization. Second, AI makes power transparent, while humans hide behind bias. Let's make a clear side when AI introduces accountability where human authority thrives in secrecy. While in countless Indonesian offices, promotions are handed out like family heirlooms when challenged manager will say, it's my judgment, it's the seal of bias. Ladies and gentlemen, AI systems, however, create records, performance logs, and test output attendance data. And this cannot erase by that kind of privilege called nepotism. Works finally have dignity because decisions can be explained, constrained, and justified. That's why transparency speaks louder. The greatest threat is not AI, but the gap between society class. I wanna make you imagine how if there's a farmer's son that wanna be kind in the recruitment, like in the some of industry or etc. when they cannot even sit her ass at that because they don't have a name of their bloodline. It is unfair, isn't it? So that's why AI make it qualified, make it the managing more qualified by seeing the qualified, not by seeing your name in the bloodline. AI do not rob us of humanity. It robs the power of inequality to increase opportunity. It casts the chair of nepotism and force accountability where this were known. That's why I'm proud to oppose.